Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about leafy greens, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to go well with salad leafy greens. So if you're looking for some different salad ideas, something different to do with your greens, hopefully this will help you out. Combine your salad greens with almonds, avocado, carrots, and tomatoes. Salad greens with almonds, citrus, and fennel. Salad greens with almonds, jicama, and orange. Salad greens with apples, celery, and hazelnuts. Or salad greens with apples, celery, lime, raisins, and walnuts. How about salad greens with apples, clementines, endive, and walnuts? Salad greens with avocados and cilantro. Or salad greens with avocados, grapefruit, pecans, and radicchio. Salad greens with avocado and lime. How about salad greens with balsamic vinegar, garlic, mustard, and olive oil? Or salad greens with beets and celery? Salad greens with blue cheese, pears, and walnuts? Or salad greens with carrots, cucumbers, dill, and feta cheese? Now this list is long. It's been broken up into two parts. This is part one. Stay tuned for part two. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.